I personally always suggest that you only ever boost or advertise with money when it comes to a product or not a video, but I'm here to tell you how to do those adverts on Facebook for your videos. Let's go to the computer. Okay, so this is Facebook. In my case, it is my Facebook page, the Alan Spicer Digital Consultant, or YouTube Certified Digital Consultant page, which you can find at facebook.com/Alan Spicer YouTube. But if you want to promote your video, you scroll down to one of your videos. In this case, it's one video that I've promoted earlier in the week using my patented technique, the title, the link, and a load of hashtags that are relevant. And in this case, you'll see that I've started getting some metrics and some shares. But what you're looking for is to promote the video using adverts. And you'll see this little button here that says Boost Post. If you'll click the button, you'll see that this pops up. Now this is your options for marketing. Not only will you see what your advert looks like in desktop, in mobile, and in Instagram feeds, but you can also either animate the post or choose many other options. So, for example, on the left-hand side, you'll see add button to your post. So if you want to link people elsewhere, you can either add like learn more, which can link to a web page, book now, if it's a webinar of some kind of thing, shop now, if it's a specific product, sign up, if it's an ebook, get directions, send message, or in my case, because I'm promoting just the video, I'm going to put no button or the learn more option, and then I'd put the video link in there. But in this case, I'm doing the no button option. I then choose what demographic I want to go for, whether it's a group that you've already done. So here you go. I wanted United Kingdom, 22 to 65-year-olds, people who like my page, people who like page and other people in the local area, or YouTube wannabes. So those were people that were in the same demographic or like certain pages. Or you can create your own audience. In here, you can name it whatever you want, right? You can go for male, female, specific age range, any location, so it's in your country or whether you're aiming for somewhere else, and then you hunt out their specific hobbies. So if you are a cooking channel, you'd look for cooking and recipe groups, or if you're a gaming channel, you'd look out for specific games. Maybe your tutorials are specifically for Destiny or Call of Duty, so you'd use those groups to advertise to. And once you've filled it in, and you scroll down to click save, it will show up as one of your options like mine on the left hand side. So just for example, I'm going to use my, once again, YouTube's wannabes, which in this case shows you that it is 16 to 65. They are United Kingdom, England, United States. They are interested in YouTube, YouTubers, schools, universities, employers, that kind of thing, lifestyles, blogspot. It will ask you if you'd like some automatic placements. What this means is it will have a look at how well your ads are doing. It will allocate where it's best to promote them. If your adverts are doing better in one group than the other, then it will favour one group over the other. Basically, it will just try to maximise your reach. Now, total budget. Now this, as you can see, is the maximum amount before it stops. Not per day, just in total. So if you want to spend 50 quid on promoting the video, you put in £50 there, right? And you'll see here, depending on my choices above, that my audience, which are the 16 to 65 people, is around about 280 to 1,500 people per day. Now, I can extend it. So in this case, if I'm doing £20 and I'm running the ad until the 14th, which is 10 days away, I'll be spending £2 a day, and it will run for 10 days, ending on that day. So if I was to extend it, you'll notice that the figures move, or if I was to crunch it, it can be delivered faster. Now, I can scroll down and also use Facebook Pixels. Facebook Pixels is a target audience in which you've gone out your way to curate from your own website anyone that's hopped onto your site. It's a nice way of remarketing. I will put a link in the description down below to one of my colleagues explaining how you can set up a Facebook Pixel and how it helps you remarket. Obviously, there's the payment method. You can use PayPal, a credit card, anything like that. Now, there's a note up here that says your ad reach might be lower. Now, this is because initially when the Facebook advertising system showed up, there was an algorithm that said too much text would limit it. Now, that has been kind of scaled back. You can now request a manual review, But it used to be that the automated system would go, nah, don't like it, would serve you to less people. That was to stop abuse. In this case, if you request a manual review, they'll look at the advert before it goes live, and then assuming that it's not spam or scams, which in this case, how to bulk edit info cards, is clearly not some kind of Bitcoin mining scam, and they'll approve it. And then when you're ready, you click Boost Now. It will pop up, you can fill in all of your banking details, and it will deduct it after 28 days or once you hit that limit, and you are done.